Set up. What's up, y'all? What's up, man? Yeah, I'm setting up right now. Setting this YouTube shit up. Let's check it out.
Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
Real quick. Boom. So, you got the C-Reader launch 619, right? Or a launch C-Reader 619, vice versa. This is unboxing and review, right? Check it out by Lucas Greer, Too Small Auto. I'm a big fan of eBay, guys. A big fan of eBay. So I love to get products that are from eBay that people haven't really tried. And then I kind of tell you guys, okay, well, how is it and stuff like that. So I've been looking at a car reader, scanner, right? I have the basic one, obviously the little $40 one, but it tells you the codes, and then I have to take the time to go on Google and find out what exactly I'm trying to figure out with the car. So I decided to take it up a notch, and I was like, let me spend some money. I mean, I know they have the oil tells and the snap-ons for like $1,000, but I've been doing great for about 5 or 6 years without it, with just the little $35 one. So I mean, if I don't have consistent cars, I don't have a shop, then I'm not investing that money into it. But I do like the fact that the readers are getting better, and I could see everything on the screen instead of me actually going on my phone and figuring it out. So I bought this one, $79.99, right? Like I said, it's called a C-Reader. A lot of people call it Creader. I think it's C-Reader for code reader, but it's made by, I guess it's made by C-Reader. So we're gonna open it up. It's my first time. I had it for like 2 or 3 days. I know what a reader looks like, so I didn't really need it at this point. So I was like, let me do a review. So the first thing I got is a little pouch, which is pretty cool. I already see. So I'm gonna be taking it outside, obviously. Pretty simple. We got the instructions inside. USB cord. All right. Some of the little packy stuff, the garbage. I don't really need that right now. Well, I don't need that at all. And book. C-Reader 619. DB15 connection, LED screen, diagnostic cable. Pretty self-explanatory, guys. If you guys, anything you get instructions. So that was that. So we got the bag so far, right? And then now there's something in here. I believe this is the. Let's take out the machine first. All right. I'm 6 foot, guys. My hands are pretty big. I'm a pretty big guy. But overall, this is a pretty solid machine. It seems very firm. I like it already, just because if I'm grabbing it with my greasy hands and things like that, I could still press the buttons and stuff. So definitely looks pretty durable, very durable. Yeah, that's that. And then just open the latch from the bottom, pull it out, right? And that's it. That's pretty much everything that's in the box. So you got cables, the bag, the instructions, and then the C-Reader itself. All right. So I'm gonna take it to the car and check it out. I was really just trying to record me actually, getting the unboxing. I mean, I love what I see. I'm not expecting a lot. Like I said, I know what a reader does. All right, you see a little cap. That's to connect to the car, and then you connect the serial port to the back of the machine right here. Now, I like things like this where they have separate wires, because let's say this wire breaks, I can always just buy the wire, not have to buy the actual machine. Now, like I said, $79.99, and I'm gonna find out everything that it does. But apparently, look at the back of the box. All right, I don't know if you can read that, guys. All right, probably backwards. But this is the best of all 3 brands, right? So you got the CR419, the 519 and then the 619. This is the best one of that brand. Obviously has all the dots highlighted, and it says I'm readiness status, freeze frame, data stream, data graphing, video vehicle information, onboard monitoring system test, control of the onboard system, manufacturer's specific DTCs, built-in DTC lookup, okay. Data record and replay, it does not have, no model has that, and data and then print data via PC, it does not have. Don't need that, don't really care for it. That's if I had, like, I see a shop, I want to give it to the customer, show the customer this is what I found, and so be it. What I really bought this for was the ABS system and the SRS system. If you don't know what an SRS is, that's an airbag system. And then the ABS system is your brake system. The regular readers definitely don't have that, so that's exactly why I bought this reader. I had an airbag light on for quite some time. I don't know which sensor it is. I don't get into accidents, don't get hit, so I don't really feel like changing it. But now that I find out which one it is, I'll buy it and replace it. It's not a big deal. But yes, C-Reader 619. That is your unbox and review. You will see more videos of me using this actual machine now that it's out of the box. It's ready to go. You know, I'm gonna throw it in the car. I'm gonna throw away the box and everything because I already know I don't need it. This is a starter to what you'll get if you want to buy the Ortels or the $1,000 machines, the Snap-on machines. You'll start with something like this, figure it out. This is what I'm doing, figuring it out, and then going and stepping up, you know. So after I spend this $80 or the $79.99, $80, I would then move up to maybe a $200 machine, which is the full wide one. Check how that goes, and then maybe the $500 machine after that. I mean, if I want to go straight for the gusto, I'll just go straight to the $1,000 machine and cut all that out. But overall, very durable. Very it seems like this is going to be a good tool that I'm going to be using in the long run, because like I said, I use the $35 one, the basic one that just tells you the codes. I clear my codes every now and again. I have a Chevy Impala. The thing about Impalas is that they tend to have electrical malfunctions, right? So your car you'll be driving an Impala or a Chevy down the highway, out of nowhere it'll say engine AC off, engine overheating, right? Pull over or stop car immediately. And most of the time it's a code that tripped that, right? You put your C-Reader on, you know, your DCC readers, right? You plug it in, you clear the code. You read the code, see what code it is, whatever it is, you write it down, and then you clear the code. Most of the time on a Chevy, that car is going to start right back up and have no issues, right? You will drive in maybe another 15, 20 minutes, and that code persists, and that code is a real code, it's going to come back on, right? You could keep on clearing it until you get to that shop, until you fix it, or until you get home until you fix it. But that's one thing I like about having a reader. If you never had a reader in your car, you can't delete the codes. The only thing you have to do is, you could, you have to get out your car, take out the battery terminals for 30 seconds, right? Then put them back on, start the car back up, keep on driving. The code comes back up, you get out, you do it again. With a reader, all you have to do, plug it in, clear the code, continue driving. Actually, I've done red codes and cleared codes while I was driving on the highway, which is pretty cool, pretty dangerous at the same time, but I've did that. So there's no reason why you can't, right? Again, guys, if you're gonna buy it, this is it. This is the unboxing and review. It seems very durable. It looks very, very good. If I have any issues, I'll tell you if it's bad or not. But thanks for tuning in, y'all. Appreciate it. And just like that, I got my machine ready to work. What else can I? So, guys, I love this machine as of yet. I used it yesterday.
I'll upload a bunch of sorry, shit. Sorry. So, I uploaded I will upload a bunch of photos, and the thing is that so it shows you your temperature currently. It has live data, obviously, and the live stream, so you can see it. And then as you're driving, you can do a bunch of things. Obviously, like the big guys, right? You can see it on this screen. So I'm already in love with that particular aspect of it. It's already more advanced than just having the regular scanner. So I definitely recommend, if you're gonna do your own car work, upgrade. Now that I know, I've been doing this for quite some time, but I never had to because I always figured out the problem. But this would definitely save much more time. So.